Well, hello. My name is James Magadman. I'm your teacher. Now, I know Magadman's kind of a hard name, so you can just call me Mr. M. I don't really look like that character. I look more like this right here. And we'll talk to each other and get to know each other later. But for now, this virtual me is sitting with this virtual wife of mine. She doesn't look like that. I have a public service announcement for you. This is the consequence of disrespecting a substitute teaching day. Now, in order to understand this consequence, you have to understand my homework policy. Generally speaking, 99% of the semester, 99% of the year, I do not ever assign homework. So you will, for the most part, not have any assigned homework. But that does not mean that you will never have to do any work at home. For instance, if you do not finish an assignment on time, or if you are absent and you just need to catch up. We'll talk more about how to deal with that later. The point is, normally you will not have homework. Most assignments will be completed in class. However, there's the consequence of disrespecting a substitute teaching day. And before I tell you what the consequence is, I'm going to tell you what I mean by disrespecting a substitute teaching day. This includes being disrespectful to a substitute teacher, but I'm really mostly talking about disrespecting the day by not doing work on that day, by blowing it off. If you do not do your work on a day that a substitute is in class, you are, number one, wasting a day of teaching. We are going to fall behind, which means, number two, you are disrespecting me, and number three, you are disrespecting the class as a whole. So when there is a substitute teacher, you must turn in your homework, even if it is only a part of the assignment. You must turn in something, anything at all. Even if it's only a partially complete assignment, you must turn in something on a substitute day to prove to me that you did work that day and did not waste the day because you thought, oh, Mr. M's not here, I could do whatever I want. If it's far from complete, however, only a fraction of the assignment, I'm going to question that. So you must additionally write an explanation to me and most likely an apology to me as why you did not get much done. Now, if not, if you turn in nothing on a substitute teaching day, normally you do not have homework. Normally, when there is a holiday or a school break, you still do not have homework, especially during breaks. However, during our school breaks, October, November, December, February, and April, I will be planning a project. If you do respect substitute teaching days, you are excused from these projects. However, if you do not do work on a substitute, even a single substitute teaching day, you are not excused from these project assignments and you must complete them over break. If you disrespect just one of these days, you will not be excused. That's the consequence of disrespecting a substitute teaching day.